What's up, you guys? I'm Texos. Welcome back to another episode. I can't do this. It's not even Christmas. It's been a minute, you guys. It has been a very long minute. I haven't opened up a box in like 3 weeks, and honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I probably shouldn't have waited this long because we have a crap ton of boxes today. But it's gonna be an interesting episode, to say the least. And I got a lot of really cool projects coming up on the channel, and you guys get to see some sneak peeks happening right here in this video. So yeah, with that said, let's not waste any more time, dive right in. So like usual, we start off with the small stuff and move our way on to the big boxes, because the big boxes are the juicy boxes. Oh dang, these look way better in person. So I got some Brawly stickers. I'm doing a Brawly themed gaming PC. That's all I gotta say for that. These are from eBay also, which I'm assuming are also Brawly stickers. Oh, this looks dank, you guys. Brawly Super Saiyan 1. Original Brawly Super Saiyan 1, I should say. This one is from the new movie. A couple of stuff from Amazon. So I am building myself a new setup, completely brand new setup in early 2019. And I decided to go with a TKL keyboard, but I still love using a numpad. So I kind of bought a wireless numpad. That way I can just pull out of the drawer and use whenever I'm typing numbers or stuff like that. So that's the purpose of that. I also bought a high security door lock from Amazon because, believe it or not, there are 2 bedrooms in my home that don't have locks. And sometimes I need my privacy, you know? When I'm doing something special, I need to lock the door so the wife doesn't barge in every single time. Sometimes I just need my privacy. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, I have no idea where on earth this came from. Oh, I ordered this like 3 months ago. It's just arriving. So these are basically washing gloves, and there's like a little built-in fins on here to help with scrubbing dishes and stuff like that. So yeah, I honestly ordered this like 3 months ago. It's coming from China or something. Completely forgot I even ordered that, to be honest. Who needs a knife? What the heck? I probably shouldn't open this and show you guys in camera, but okay, yeah, this. I made a promise to you guys. Whatever I unbox here, I have to show you, regardless if I like it or not. That's the rules of what's in the box. So that's what I signed up for. Some more juicy custom cables for a couple builds coming up this month. Guys, we are going back to black and red. It has been years since I've done a black and red build. So one of them is gonna be black and red, Asus ROG inspired build. And we also got a very clean white and black build as well. You can tell which one of these are coming from like the edge of the planet by their wrapping paper. I just realized Earth doesn't have an edge because it's round. Oh geez. Sometimes I say the dumbest things. Most of the time, I should say. Okay, yes, I like this. So this, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be building myself a custom keyboard eventually, early next year. But I need to figure out what key switch I like. So I ordered a 50 key switch from, I forgot what website it was, but anyway, this pretty much has the majority of the key switches out there. So I'm gonna try and play around with them and see which one I prefer the most. Right now I have Kale Reds on the radar because I've done a few keyboard videos using Kale Reds, and so far I'm a big fan of them. But there's so many other switches out there that I gotta give them a try to see which one I really like before I drop like $1,000 on building a keyboard. So that's what this is basically. Yeah, I'm definitely not going for those clicky ones, more on the silent side. But yeah, can't wait to play around with this and find out my favorite switch type. Okay, so we got a Firecuda 520, a Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. This is 1 terabyte, and this is going, I think, honestly at this point I forgot. There's so many builds coming up. Oh, okay, so I ordered this myself. Believe it or not, I saw this going on sale from my website, dealsource.tech. and I think they're like 15 bucks off or something. And normally Apple doesn't discount their stuff, so that was kind of rare. And I've always wanted to try the AirPods. These are the AirPods Pro. And one of the reasons I don't like the original ones is because it's all plastic and it hurts my ears. So I'm not really an earphone type of guy. I mostly prefer headphones, but when you're going somewhere, sometimes I just can't bring my pair of cans with me. I want something more smaller, more compact. So I decided, why not? It's Christmas. Let me gift myself some AirPod Pros. You know, when you work so hard, sometimes it's okay to treat yourself. Oh yes, 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 yes. These are, I should say, some more stuff that's going in my new setup. I've started already ordering stuff for my setup, guys. It's gonna be an epic setup. I can guarantee you that much. So the first thing I picked up, HD60 Pro. This is a capture card. So this is gonna go in a separate PC just to capture the gameplay, while the main PC is gonna do all the gaming, if that makes any sense. So the MX Master 2S, I picked this up because I recently bought a new gaming mouse, the Model D from Glorious. And to my understanding, that mouse doesn't have a hyper scroll wheel. So I had to pick up a mouse that does have one, and the MX Master 2S has always been on my radar because I've been a huge fan of the original ones. Sometimes you can't get the best of both worlds, you guys. Sadly, this is happening to me. The Model D might be great for gaming, but it's not great for productivity, so I need a mouse that will keep me satisfied on that. So that is why I picked up the Master 2S. And for the mouse pad, you guys, I want your opinion on this one because I was looking for a really cool white and red themed mouse pad, and this caught my eye. But I want you guys to be honest. Do you like the design or not? So check this out, guys. I didn't want to buy a regular white and red mouse pad. I wanted something with a design so it's not too bland. Oh my God. Take a look at this. Honestly, what do you guys think? Do you think the hexagon's a little too much? And they actually have different colors too. They have white and red, they have white and blue, I think white and green, or white and black or something like that. But they have different colors as well. Red isn't their main one. But I don't know, guys. When I saw this design, I knew I had to pick it up. It looks pretty sweet, but I want to know your comments, your feedback in the comment section. Also, if I were to get just an all white mouse pad, then it would have gone dirty really quickly and it would have been very difficult to keep it clean. Moving right along, we got some from Asus. This is their first box. As I mentioned before, I am doing an Asus ROG themed build, so I'm obviously expecting some parts from them. Oh, this is interesting. We got the ROG Crosshair 8 Impact motherboard, which I think is a micro ATX. Did not expect a micro ATX board, but if that's what they want, that is what they will get. I love that they put their 8-pin EPC connector on the side over here, right next to their 24-pin. It's gonna help with cable management, and I think it's gonna look a lot better with the custom cables. Good job, Asus. Speaking of Asus, they did send me this, I don't know what this is. It just says Asus 30 years on it. So I'm guessing it's for like the holidays. One of the greatest joys of this season is the opportunity to say thank you and to wish you happy holidays. And I don't know who that is. This is really cool. It's an Asus backpack. Oh, that's a lot of space. A lot of room for activities. Okay, I like this. Thank you, Asus team. This is awesome. All right, going back to the small boxes. That's all that's in there? Arcus W7 III. 4K UHD optical fiber RGB gaming HDMI cable. RGB? You gotta be kidding me right now. There's an RGB HDMI cable? Have I been missing out? Is this something new? I've never seen this anywhere. Hello Edgar, as one of the very first to partake in aid, we would like to send you our warmest gratitude. Hope you enjoy and like our product as much as we do. Looking forward to build upon the future. Oh my God. Where is the RGB part of this? So the actual RGB portion is on the edge. Oh my God, yeah, I'm definitely testing this out. I got a 240 Hertz monitor that was sent to me by ViewSonic, which I'm gonna unbox at the end. So when I set that up, I'm gonna hook this cable up and see what it's all about. Okay, so these are my winter shoes. You might be asking yourself, Ed, why did you order winter shoes? And I'm sure 99% of you aren't asking that question because you guys can give two shits. But for the 1% that do, I've actually never owned a pair of winter boots before, and apparently I need them for where I'm going because the weather there is really cold. And we're going to Armenia in early February because my wife hasn't seen her parents in over a year. The other reason why I'm going to Armenia is because season 5 of Set Up Makeover is supposed to be in Armenia, but I'm really mad, I'm really upset. Hear me out. I had 0 applications since I made the announcement, you guys. Nobody in Armenia wants a new setup, apparently. So I'm kind of disappointed, kind of upset. I'm kind of asking myself why, because I know I have subscribers in Armenia. Last time I went, I took a picture with them, so I know there's a few, but I had 0 applications. So I guess I'm just going there to relax, which is kind of disappointing because I was really excited to go there and meet a subscriber and completely redo their setup, but apparently nobody is interested. So I guess I'm kind of forced to go back to the US. So for season 5, I don't know which state I'm gonna go, but I'll be announcing that at the end of January at my Discord. What is the next smallest box? I think it's this one. Also from Asus. I've actually never used this in any of my builds. So this is Asus's new AIO cooling. It's the Strix LC360 RGB. It's a 360mm red with some RGB fans. This is actually supposed to go in the ROG build, but I'm thinking about doing soft tubing with it, so I don't know if I'll actually need this. Might have to use it in a different build. So I don't know why this company used toilet tissues packaging box for this, but I promise you guys it is not toilet tissue. I'm assuming they just had this laying around and they kind of used what they had to send their products. What is all this? Oh, okay. Hey there. Oh, hey there. Okay. Oh, yes, come to Papa. Yeah. RTX 2080 Ti. I just got done building a PC with this in mini red. So I'm gonna be throwing another 2080 Ti in the ROG build, and we got a couple of their fans. Lingerie BR digital aluminum RGB fans. Okay, we got 3 boxes of these. And last but not least, we have a distro plate for the Lingerie case. And yeah, guys, I'm using a new Lingerie O11 Dynamic ROG certified case for the build. And they have their very own distro plate, so super stoked for that. All right, I think we have like 4 more boxes and we're finally done. Whoa. What? What is this? Another little winter package from Corsair this time. To Edgar, happy holidays and wishing you a great 2020 from your friends at Corsair. Aw, that's so sweet. Thank you guys so much. What is this? Hot chocolate on a spoon kit. Oh my god, this is cool. There's only one though, so I guess I can't share it with my wife. Oh my god, they also sent a pillow. This is cool. And, oh my god, what is this? What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Oh my god. What? Oh my god, this is so cool. I think I'm ready for a nap, to be honest. Oh my god. Corsair, thank you guys so much. Justin, if you're watching, I love you, man. Thank you. Speaking of Corsair, we got some MSI products. Let's open this up. Oh, this is the box I've been waiting for. Yes! Oh god, it's gonna fall. Oh my lord. Oh, Ray? Is that you? Ray! I was wondering where you went. Oh, I'm sorry, you look just like Ray. This is actually his brother and sister, so they came to tag along. I forgot to bring your brother, by the way. He's at my home chilling. I need to bring him back for these episodes. You guys can chill here. You know what? I like to be symmetrical. Let's put one over here. We also have Lucky Bricks. You could build your own Ray, you guys. You could build your own MSI Dragon. And I don't know what this is, but it looks, oh my lord. This looks hella tight. You know, before I light that up, let's go through the rest of the stuff here. So yeah, we have a RTX 2070 Super coming up with a build, of course, blah, blah, blah. Really exciting stuff. And we've got the Creator X299, which is going in the Brawly build. So yeah, really exciting stuff, but this is actually more exciting for me. Let me light this thing up, actually. Oh, what? Oh my, it's a digital clock. I didn't even see that. That is, oh, that is so cool. Thank you so much, Sarah and the MSI team, for sending these awesome gifts. It's really cool, you know, when manufacturers do this, when they really care about their, you know, partner or their influencer, and they send little gifts like this. It really does mean a lot. So seriously, guys, thank you so much. Final box, you guys. Oh, another Creator motherboard. Oh, TRX 40. I think both CPUs are coming separately. The 3970X and the 10980XE, is that what it's called? The 10980XE, my apologies. That is coming separately. That's gonna go with the X299 motherboard, while the 3970X, which is a 32-core, 64-thread CPU from AMD, that's gonna go in this build, which is happening, I think, early January. So, yeah. All right. So this is the last box. A 240 Hertz gaming monitor from ViewSonic, the XG270QG, sorry. That's a 27-inch, 1 millisecond response time IPS nano color gaming monitor. Oh my Lord, that is so damn dope. Let's actually unbox this and set it up real quickly, because I do want to test out that RGB HDMI cable. So that snaps in, beautiful. And then we got this. So basically no screws are needed to install this. I like that. All right, let's fire this thing up, plug in the HDMI RGB cable and see what it's about. All right, so I hooked it up and I gotta say, I'm pretty disappointed. The lighting on here is very faint, it's very dim. I don't know if there's a way you can control the brightness on here, but if this is how it is, I mean, you can barely see that. If the actual RGB lighting would have been on the flat side, which would have covered majority of the cable, then I'd be like, that's a pretty cool idea. But if it's just on the edge and only one side, really, very disappointed. I'll drop a link to everything I unboxed in the video down below if you guys want to check that out, except maybe for the shoes, because who cares about shoes? If you guys enjoyed the video, you know what to do, and if you didn't, well, you know what to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love your beautiful faces, and I will see you in the next video.